Go across to the presentation then. It'd be interesting to hear what the Indian captain has to say about this. Ramiz Raja is handling the presentation today.
Ladies and gentlemen, this Asia Cup has come alive. Pakistan, with an 8-wicket victory, has performed brilliantly against India today. India, the losers, Pakistan, the victorious side. First of all, I'd like to introduce the presentation party. Mr. Zakir Khan, Director, International Cricket Operations, is here with us. Mr. B.K. Mathur, General Manager, Ultratech Cement. Mr. Wasim Akram, PCB VIP Rep. We'd like to first thank the local administration, police department and all other departments who have extended their support and help for putting this spectacular cricket match. And it really was a spectacular one. May I invite MS Dhoni to please come forward. Well, MS, bad luck. Moral of the story, I guess, is maybe not to bat first.
Well, not really. We got off to a good start, but we lost wickets at regular intervals. That's what you really want, and that's the only strategy. If you want to stop your opposition. So they got wickets at regular interval, and there was a situation in the middle where we had a good run rate, but if you would have lost one more wicket out there, the game would have been over. So we just wanted to play a bit, and if we had wickets in hand later on after maybe the 38 or the 48th over, would have gone for the slog. But it never really happened. We lost wickets after you can say regular intervals. So yeah, it got a bit tough, and they started well. They got to a very good start, and I think each and every batsman of their team, they batted superbly.
Are you disappointed with the bowling efforts of your bowlers?
Well, we could have done better, but on a track like this, frankly speaking, 300, 310 odd runs, it's not really enough, especially when you don't have very good, you can say, experienced spinners, because you need a bit of experience on a wicket like this, because it doesn't really help the spinners, and it's easy to go after the spinners than to rotate the strike. So yeah, you can say I was a bit disappointed, but we could have scored a bit more runs. We would have not lost wickets.
Piyush Chawla has not bowled particularly well against Pakistan of late, and his selection, were you satisfied with his selection, or would you want to fine-tune the bowling, or especially the spinning department?
Well, I was quite happy. He has performed well. One or two odd games where he has not really bowled well. You can say one of the games in this series and in Bangladesh, maybe the finals, but he has to learn from the mistakes, and that's what he's doing. So yeah, overall it's a good learning experience for me. I'm quite happy with the way he's bowling.
A tough game tomorrow then. You've got to beat Sri Lanka.
Well, there's always pressure, and that's what brings the best out of us. So hopefully if we can win tomorrow's game, we'll qualify for the finals. So that's what we are looking forward for.
How are you feeling? You look just a little tired at the end of your innings.
Well, I was a bit tired. It's quite draining when you're out there for 40 overs, and after that you have to keep wickets. So yeah, it's a bit tough, but that's what international cricket is all about.
All the best for the next game. It's a big one for you.
Thanks a lot.
MS Dhoni, the Indian captain, and now we've got the Ultratech Cement Expert Batsman Award, which goes to Misbah ul Haq, 70 of 62. Mr. B.K. Mathur would present the Ultratech Cement Expert Batsman Award of $1,000 to Misbah ul Haq for his most well-constructed innings. Then the big award, the Man of the Match Award, and Mr. Wasim Akram to present the Man of the Match souvenir and check of $2,000 to a fantastic innings from Yunus Khan. One and only Yunus Khan, 123 of 117 balls. Many congratulations, Yunus. It was a fantastic effort. What was going through your mind, because 300 plus was always going to be a difficult chase?
Yeah, against India is always, but the main thing is that we have a good start, 70 quick runs, and then, I just go there and play some sensible batting and hitting, and then with Misbah ul Haq, it was a good finish.
Very good partnership with Misbah ul Haq. You always seem to work well with Misbah and with the other batsmen, because you're big on making or creating those partnerships.
Yeah, I just try to play for my whole hours and stand for my batsmen and helping them. And the moment they're listening, this is the main point.
You played spinners really well and aimed once again the straightish mid-wicket and square leg boundary regularly. Do you plan shots like that against spin?
I just practice against spin, and at the moment it's working. But the main thing is that the wicket is very flat, so that's why ball come on the bat regularly. So maybe this is the whole point.
Excellent batting, Yunus. Enjoy it. Brilliant innings.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yunus Khan, the Man of the Match award winner, with a fantastic 123 of 117 balls. And now the last award of the evening, the winning team bonus that goes to Misbah ul Haq, captaining Pakistan today. And what a result. First game as a Pakistan captain and a victory. Mr. Zakir Khan to present the winning team bonus to Misbah ul Haq. Misbah, terrific effort. You must be very pleased with the outcome of this game.
Yeah, I mean, it's a wonderful start for me as a captain. That's really good. I think the credit goes to the team. The way the Indians started the inning, they put the pressure on us. Very good start, and then the bowlers really came back on a flat track like that. I think once we just pushed them to 307, that was excellent effort. We just think that it's gettable.
Playing against India, always a pressure game. How did you handle that pressure on your team? What did you tell to them?
I just said to them that just be positive all the time. Just be positive. The bowlers, wherever it's going, 9 and over, 10 and over, just try to pick the wickets. And same to the batsmen. Just go there, be positive, play your shots wherever it comes, and just go for the partnerships. And I think that comes like that. It's a very good result at the end.
Performance of Saeed Ajmal in his first game must have pleased you, because you were behind that move to push him in the 15. Very good performance in his first game.
Yeah, I think it's a wonderful performance in the first game. It's a pressure game against India. The batsmen, Indian batting, everybody knows they play the spin very well, and he bowls excellent.
So what next now for Pakistan, because Bangladesh game becomes very important now for you?
Yeah, it's very simple. Just go there and win the game comprehensively. What we just trying to do in this game, and we just trying to do in the next game, and then see what's the result in tomorrow's game. Just we want to win the game.
All the best. Played really well, Misbah. Many congratulations, and keep it going.
Thank you.
Misbah ul Haq, the victorious captain. Thank you, gentlemen, for your presence here. And that is what we have from the presentation ceremony.
Hey, that was some run chase, wasn't it? We've seen some fantastic batting here at the Star Cricket Asia Cup.